Hi guys, it's the Queen. It's my Talk to Me Tuesday for July 16th, 2019. This is going to be quick. I don't have a lot of space on my little SD card because I didn't clear some things out the other day. I wanted to show you my other two Faithwell storage bins. I did finish them finally. This is a size small. This is a size medium. I'll put the sizes of them down below on the screen, but you can see they nest inside each other very well. And then the bigger one, the large that had the diapers in it, is way bigger because you can see there. So it's in comparison to my head, and I don't have a small head, but sometimes when I hold things in front, of course it looks larger, but this is what they look like. And the fabrics are all coordinating. To give you an idea, this is the semicircle for the large. So it's twice as big as that. Anyway, that's those. I just wanted to make sure I recorded them before I gave them out. I have a few of my people done with 2 coats of clear protectant on them. They came out really nice, and I'll do a close-up later, of course. These are some of the adults. A couple more of the adults. For the little boys, let's see, I got, where's the other one? There it is. I've got 4 little boys done so far, and 5 little girls. So that means I've got 5 girls to finish, 6 boys to finish. Let's see, how many women do I have? I have 5 women to finish because here are 5. And then I've got 4 guys. So I've got 6 guys to finish. I think it's pretty much even between adults and children. They're the same. 4 adult males, 4 juvenile males. 5 adult females and 5 juvenile females. And then of course those little teeny ones that I'm not even worrying about. I unpacked my jigsaw finally. I purchased it several years ago at this grocery store called Aldi. I don't know if anybody has them in their area, but I've loved Aldi from day one, and their whole rebranding makes it even nicer. But before the rebrand and restyling of the store, when they had the King Craft tools, I purchased a rotary saw then, and then they started switching over to Work Zone, so then I got the jigsaw. Neither one of them I've ever used before. Now the rotary saw I did let my nephew use, so he was working on speakers for his car, and he needed something that could cut circles out, so I let him use that. And that's the first time it's ever been used. I have a Dremel that I've only used once or twice to just like fine sand something. I'm going to start getting those tools out and making use of them. I've got to figure out something else to do as I try to swing into doing other things. You know, I just got to keep building my knowledge base and my skills. I don't know, I just get bored kind of quick on things. I guess that's an adult ADHD. I don't know. Anyway, that's all. I'll probably put more photos at the end instead of up here, because I want you to be able to zoom in and see all the detail on these little guys, because they're just so darn cute. And some of them, just holding them up there just won't do justice. I'm going to probably take them outside for better lighting. I'm not really sure. I may do them here, but either way, you'll get to see them all. That are all the ones that are finished. And then maybe, hopefully next week, I will be able to work on the remaining group of little guys and get pictures and video of them also. Presenting our gentlemen, we have two businessmen, a farmer, and a guy in casual wear. The farmer, as you can see, has been working really hard. He includes dirt and all on his overalls, and a little bandana to wipe his sweat. Some of the smaller details kind of got a mess, so I started using washi tape on the girls so that I could get those details without trying to paint in such a small area. This one has nice texture to her hair, and she does have washi tape that actually matched, and it wasn't planned that way. It was a great coincidence. She's got some painted highlights for her afro puffs and a hand-painted plaid skirt, and her kimono features a painted cherry blossom tree, and I'm not sure how that mark got on there. I think the kids are playing a little rough with them. They say her hair looks like mine because of the silver streaks, and this is just a big piece of washi tape. The little boys, he's got an Izod polo shirt. I don't know, he's going out to dinner, I guess. This one is featuring a baseball jersey and some shorts. He's got a textured hair with it faded underneath. This one also has textured hair and just regular play clothes, nothing fancy for him. Just a little boy. And this one is rocking some sweats and a hoodie that has Central Blue Devils. That's our high school mascot. And the number 8 represents my son. She has her little cute headband and a bob haircut. And she has Mulan on her dress. Another Disney princess, Tiana. And her dress has a little bit extra green, darker green on the bottom. And our final Disney princess is Merida, because she loves her because they both have red hair. Those pieces of washi tape have come in handy. I like this one added to her belt and around her neckline. She's got some scrapes on her face too, and 3D hair, of course. And my favorite, little buns and bows and polka dots. Her shoes didn't come out so great. These guys still need to be painted. They're waiting in the wings, and these guys are on deck. The doctor is about to get a stethoscope painted on him, and then he's going to get his clear coat. I've been using this Mod Podge matte finish, but it still makes them seem a little shiny. So I'm going to stick with it because I don't want to go glossy. This one needs an M on his shirt. He's got some 3D cornrows. He's a Michigan fan. Hug the ones you love. Stay crafty and creative, and I will see you all in your videos. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.